Hello everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this 3D geometry using Creo Parametric. Let's get started. Go to New, Part and Solid Modeling and take this Use Default Template. Click OK. Now choose Part Solid. Click OK. Now go to the geometry. This is a simple feature we can do by using extrusion itself. For that, I am going to draw bottom plate of total length of 90 and height is 30. Height is 50. Go to plane. I am taking as a top plane. Go to sketch view. Draw the center line. Press the roller to confirm. Take the rectangle, symmetric rectangle, press the roller to confirm. Now this one is 90 mm, this height is 50 mm. Click the fit screen, click OK. Go to extrude, change this into symmetric, height is 10. Just rotate it, you will get it. Click OK. Now go to the figure again. Now we have modeled the bottom plate. Then we just want create extrude of this one. For this, go to the model, select the surface, go to sketch view, take the reference, close, go here. This height is 20 plus 10, 30. This distance also 30. This is 20 and 30. Go to the model, take this line. This distance is 30. Again 30 length, 20, and connect with this. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Go here. This height is 30. This height is 30. Fit screen. This is also 30. This distance is 20. So anyway, this also be 20. Just click OK. Go to extrude, flip the direction, go here. The extrusion length is 20. Click OK. Now go to the model. This is also we have done. Now we just want to make this one of 40, height is 20. Take this surface, go to sketch view, take the reference of these edges, close, go to rectangle, draw simple rectangle, click the roller to confirm. Now specify this is 40, this height is 20. Click OK. Go to the model. Yes. Now go to extrude, go to the model. The extrusion length is 20. Flip the direction. This length is 20. Click OK. Now see the model. Now we have done material addition features. Now we just want to remove this material of 20 vertical and 30 horizontal. Go to sketch view, take the reference, close, take the rectangle, Ctrl Z, take the rectangle. Now go here. That is 20 and this is 80. This is 30. This distance is 20. Click OK. Go to extrude, change the direction, material removal, choose this into to next, click OK. Now go to standard orientation, hide all the planes. This is make into shading with edges. Now go to the model. Yes. Now we have completed our model. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any easy method to draw the same component, please comment me. Thank you.